a known current over here, and we got stuff. Hanggang tuhod? Tuhod?
Hanggang tuhod daw eh.
Dito?
Oo.
Huwag kang titigil. Pag nahulog ako, sinong masasala sa akin? Yeah, so it's actually deep. I believe the current's going this way. So, there's perfect. Perfect. So the bicycle will let me know how deep it is. So that's the bicycle test. Thank you, Mr. Bicyclist. So that's usually the deepest part right there. Piece of cake. I don't want to splash him. Tulak? Parang kaya naman eh. Ayun, hindi na. Kaya. Alright, let's go. Kaya. May bato doon. Dito kayo sa right side. May bato sa left side. I nearly fucking hit that shit. Pero kaya naman.